have two words ever fit better together than banana and toffee? Of course, today we're talking about all things banoffee pie.
Now, if you're looking for a fun upgrade on the classic, these fluffy pancakes with loaded biscuit are the perfect sweet treat for your Sunday.
How good. And to show us how is TV personality and author Jacob Lung. Welcome to you. Great to see you. OK, you've got a trick for turning condensed milk into a delicious caramel. What is it?
Absolutely. So instead of paying like $7, $8 for a jar of caramel, what you can do is actually just put your jar of condensed milk into a slow cooker for about 8 hours. If you want it like a real dark caramel, you can also do it for like about 9 hours. They come out like this. And
hang on, so that's a slow cooker, really, really slow for eight or so hours.
Exactly.
On a low heat.
On a low heat, so you can do it overnight, go to sleep, and then you wake up with, look at this.
That is a great... Oh, my gosh.
I know,
there
right?
you go.
Very easy.
Do you know you can get coconut milk, condensed milk now as well? Would it work the same, do you think?
It wouldn't work the same just because the fat is slightly different. But overall, you get a great consistency. Like, look at this. It's perfect, thick caramel. And so what I'm doing is I'm going to be doing like a banoffee deconstructed pie, which is so easy to make, and you can do it, you know, the day before almost. And then also what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like get some banana. I calculated this, guys. This is about $2.20 per serve. So it's very easy.
Kids love this.
Yeah,
love
so
this.
easy.
Plus, they can love building it themselves as well. I'm not too sure I trust them with the slow cooker overnight. That might be the adult's job, but yeah.
So while I'm doing this, I'm going to show you something else that I've done in the theme of banoffee. So we've done some banoffee-style pancakes. So banana pancakes, and then as you can see through the layers, I've put some more caramel, some whipped cream with just a little bit of vanilla, and then here, I think this is always whipped cream in a can is just so much fun, especially for the kids. So I just thought, why don't we just like do this? Oh no, there we go.
There we go.
There we go. It's very slow today.
But you can make it look really cool, can't you?
And then you can definitely add a bit of height. And then I've just got a couple of chocolate shavings. This is like, you know, a special dish. It's not like a breakfast every morning.
That's a Sunday treat, though.
It's a Sunday treat. And then if you just want, you can just add a little bit more caramel as well to it.
So if you microwave that a bit more, would it loosen up and make it easier to pour?
Just because of like it's a bit cool at the moment. So when it's definitely even summer, it will definitely be a lot smoother and easier.
If you're wanting to make caramel yourself, like, you know, not putting it in with condensed, what do you have to do? Like, how much are you sort of reducing?
Yeah, so it does require a little bit of time and a lot of heat. So you're doing essentially just melting down a lot of just caster sugar, and then you're going to bring that down and make a toffee. Then you're going to add some butter and obviously some cream just to thin it out a bit, and then you can put that in the fridge and it'll thicken right up. So it's very easy.
Mon, why don't you get in there right now?
You try that one. Any tips for doing the perfect pancake?
I think the perfect tip is making sure that you have a non-stick pan and it's slightly greased, not too oily.
Oh, that's beautiful.
So I'm going to finish this one. So I've added the banana, and now I'm just adding the whipped cream that I've done with just a little bit of vanilla bean. And just into... I'm just using a cocktail glass because it's just a lot easier.
You had the essence of vanilla bean, did you just stir through that?
Yeah, and there's a couple of vanilla bean flecks in here. And just to add a little bit more texture, because we're doing this deconstructed, I'm using Biscoff. So it's a bit of a spiced biscuit. I'm just going to add that over here.
You just buy that in a packet, don't you?
Exactly.
Yeah,
it's so simple. This is hardly even a recipe. It's an assembling recipe.
Jacob, that is delicious. And the caramel just tastes like caramel.
And it is so much easier than, you know, working around, cleaning up. You just put it in the slow cooker. If you want to do it on a saucepan, you can also do it on a saucepan on a simmering heat. Make sure it's covered with water for at least 2 hours. You can also do it in a pressure cooker, which takes just 35 minutes as well.
Wow.
So a couple of different options there.
Delicious. How wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.
All right, now you can find all the recipes over on the Sunrise website, and for more great ideas in Jacob's cookbook, Jacob Food, and that is out now.
Looks so good. We're off to the movies now. And from villain